Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video here we are given the question f of x plus 1 equal to f of x plus 2 plus 1, and we have to find out the function f of x. It means we have to find out the input value, that what should be the value of f of x, so that f of x plus 1 should be equal to f of x plus 2 plus 1. Here we have this question. So f of x plus 1 equal to f of x plus 1 plus 1. So we are rewriting x plus 2 as x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Let's suppose this is the input value f of x plus 1. So x plus 1 we are supposing as x. So f of x equal to f of x plus 1 plus 1, because this whole is equal to x. Now we are using the trial and error method. So let's suppose when x is equal to 0, and if we put x equal to 0 in this function, then f of 0 equal to f of 0 instead of x. So 0 plus 1 plus 1, we will get f of 1 plus 1. So this is not going to work. So when x is equal to 1, it means f of 1 is equal to f of 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is going to be f of 1 equal to f of 2 plus 1. But we have to find out the input value. It means it should be a natural number, such natural number, so that the function f of x plus 1 should be equal to f of x plus 2 plus 1 as required in the question. Now we assume f of x equal to k of x. So f of x equal to k of x equal to f of x plus 1 plus 1, because here we know that f of x equal to f of x plus 1 plus 1. Now if f of x equal to k of x, then we can say that f of x plus 1 is equal to k of x plus 1. So k into x, that is going to be kx plus k. Now k of x, that is equal to f of x. So here we know that f of x equal to f of x plus 1 plus 1. So we can say that k of x, that is equal to k of x plus k plus 1. Now if kx cancelled, then k plus 1 equal to 0. It means k is equal to negative 1. Now if we put k equal to negative 1 in f of x equal to k of x, then f of x equal to negative 1 into x. So f of x equal to negative x. So this is actually the answer, the input value f of x equal to negative x. Now we will check that if we put the function f of x equal to negative x in the question, then the two sides should be equal. Now the question is given that f of x plus 1 equal to f of x plus 2 plus 1. So we will separate these two and we will input the function f of x equal to negative x. So we will write negative x plus 1 instead of f of x plus 1. So negative x plus 1, negative x minus plus minus 1. So negative x minus 1. Now again we will do the same. We will write negative x plus 2 instead of f of x plus 2. So negative x plus 2 plus 1. So minus x minus 2 plus 1, and minus x, so minus 2 plus 1, that will be minus 1. So minus x minus 1, and here we also get minus x minus 1. It means we can say that f of x is equal to negative x, and this is the correct input value of the function. Thank you for watching this video.